In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer old browser to new Opera. By the end, you'll have your familiar browsing experience, history, bookmarks, and even open tabs waiting for you in Opera. Start by opening Opera on your computer. You'll see the Opera icon at the very top left of the window. It looks like a red O. Click that icon to open Opera's main menu. This menu is where most settings and tools live, and it's the quickest way to bring over your data. In the menu, move your mouse over bookmarks to reveal the bookmarks options. Don't click just yet, simply hover so the submenu appears. In that submenu, choose Import Bookmarks and Settings. This opens a small window dedicated to pulling your data from another browser. At the top of that window, you'll find a drop-down where you can choose the browser you're transferring from, such as your previous default browser. Pick the one you've been using. Opera usually detects what's available on your computer, making this part straightforward. Next, select exactly what you want to bring with you. Check browsing history if you want your past sites to appear in Opera's address bar suggestions. Select favorites or bookmarks to carry over your saved pages and folders, so your go-to links are right where you expect them. Choose Open Tabs if you'd like Opera to recreate the tabs you're currently using in your old browser. This is great for continuing your work without missing a beat. When you're ready, click Import. Opera will process the selection and bring the items into your new browser. Depending on how much you're transferring, this can take a moment. Once it's done, your bookmarks typically appear in the bookmarks bar or in an imported folder. Your history improves search suggestions, and your open tabs may appear as new tabs in Opera. If you notice duplicates, you can tidy them up in the bookmarks manager later. And if another browser is running, Opera may wait until it can read the data. Just keep Opera open and let it finish. That's it. Your old browser's essentials are now in Opera, and you're ready to browse without starting from scratch.